presenting the 2012 Honda Accord. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 3.5 LSO HCMP FI 24-valve iVTEC V6 engine, drive-by-wire throttle, direct ignition system, 5-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, double wishbone front suspension, independent multi-link rear suspension, front and rear stabilizer bars, variable PWR rack and pinion steering and chrome dual exhaust finisher. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.